Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling Siri now, not later. Open Settings, tap Siri and search and turn on Listen for Hey Siri plus the side button shortcut. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi and iCloud are active so requests can be processed. This affects speed and personalization. Next, choose language and voice so responses match your accent and preferences. Don't skip voice feedback. This controls when Siri speaks back. These steps set the foundation. You're preparing the device to understand and respond accurately. Now you train and start using Siri. Tap Setup Hey Siri and repeat the 4 or 5 phrases. This teaches the model your voice so accuracy improves. Speak naturally, not theatrically. Then grant Siri access to contacts, calendar, and preferred apps so results are contextually useful. Once permissions are set, try practical commands, timers, messages, or music. If a command fails, rephrase it simply. Siri parses intent differently than typed text. This middle phase turns configuration into fluent, everyday use. Finish by validating Siri with a few real tasks. Make a call, get directions, and run a shortcut. You want to verify both voice and side button triggers work. If responses are off, return to Settings and tweak language or voice, then toggle Listen for Hey Siri off and on to retrain. If problems persist, restart the iPhone, check the microphone for obstructions, and install any iOS updates. A single tip: if Siri still mishears you, retrain Hey Siri in quiet surroundings to improve accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.